I read that some of these castles have hidden trapdoors and secret ninja escape routes.
Well, if we find any secret ninja doors, Leo, you're leading the recon team.
Let's grab a quick bento box at the station before our bullet train ride to Osaka.
Wow! Is the Shinkansen really as fast as a rocket ship, Dad?
Almost, buddy. It cruises faster than highway traffic while we enjoy the scenery.
Look at Mount Fuji peeking through those clouds in the distance. How magical is that?
It looks like a giant painting floating right in the sky.
Next stop, Osaka Castle. Time to see our very first historic fortress.
The cherry tree-lined paths leading up to the moat are simply breathtaking.
Look at those giant stone walls. They look like they were built by giants.
Each stone was carved and fitted without modern mortar, engineered to withstand earthquakes and invaders.
Let's cross the bridge and head inside the main keep. I want to see the samurai armor.
Whoa! Look at that golden fish tiger thing on the roof ridge.
That's a shachihoko, a mythical creature. Ancient builders believed it protected the castle from fires.
Let's step inside. I hear the panoramic view of Osaka from the top floor is phenomenal.
Look at those authentic samurai helmets with giant golden horns and dragon crests.
Can you imagine wearing heavy iron armor like that?
And that is while defending a castle gateway?
Come on up to the observation deck. The whole city layout is spread out right beneath us.
From up here, we can see the whole city stretching out to the ocean.
That was an incredible first castle. Next up is the legendary White Heron Castle.
Himeji Castle! I've read it is the most pristine and well-preserved feudal castle in all of Japan.
Why do they call it the White Heron Castle, Mom?
Because with its white walls, it looks like a bird taking flight.
Look at those complex labyrinth corridors and defensive gates. It was built like an unsolvable maze.
Because its brilliant white plastered exterior walls and sweeping tiered roofs look like a majestic white heron, spreading its wings to take flight.
This is like walking straight into a real-life video game level. With secret defensive walls?
Exactly, buddy. Archers and matchlock gunners use those exact slits to defend the keep safely.
Take off your shoes at the entrance, everyone. We get to climb the original wooden interior stairs.
Whoa, these wooden steps are super steep. It's like climbing a giant wooden ladder.
Watch your step and hold on to the rope railing. These timbers have stood here for over 400 years.
There's a tiny shrine tucked away on the top floor. Let's step inside. Let's step inside for a quiet moment of gratitude.
It feels amazing knowing people stood right here, looking out these same windows centuries ago.
That's the magic of history, Leo. Buildings like this connect us directly to the people who built them.
Wow, that is amazing!
Before we leave the grounds, we have to stroll through Kokoen Garden, right next door.
Look at the giant koi fish swimming in that pond. They look like golden swimming cushions.
If we feed them, they might just carry us across the pond like mythical river dragons. Give it a polite sip, buddy. It has a wonderfully earthy, rich flavor. Paired with sweet wagashi treats.
Whoa! That castle is completely black. It looks like a mysterious fortress straight out of a fantasy story.
Unlike Himeji's white plaster, Matsumoto's black lacquered wood and dark clapboard earned it the nickname Crow Castle.
The red bridge arching over the water against the black castle backdrop creates the most stunning picture.
Let's climb up to the moon viewing room on the top floor. I bet the samurai lords held secret night meetings there.
They certainly did, Leo. Feudal lords would sit under the open veranda, reciting poetry, and watching the moon reflect off the moat.
Just standing here listening to the mountain wind rustle through the pine trees is so deeply grounding.
Hey, look! Down in the courtyard, there are people dressed up in full samurai armor doing sword demonstrations.
Let's head down.
Look at me, Dad! I'm an official Matsumoto Castle samurai warrior now! Watch out, evil warlords! Master Leo is ready! Master Leo is ready!
3 iconic castles down, and memories made that will last a lifetime. What an unforgettable journey.
This handmade soba is the best noodles I've ever tasted in my entire life.
From Osaka's Golden Gates to Himeji's White Heron Towers, every castle had its own unique spirit.
And the best part of traveling all across Japan is getting to share every single moment together as a team.
Can we start planning our next big family expedition on the bullet train ride home tomorrow?
We're Turikoshin. You bet, explorer. As long as you have your travel jacket and your curious mind, our adventures will never stop.
Now let's head back to our traditional ryokan inn, slip into our yukata robes, and rest up for our final journey home.
I'm going to dream of flying ninja castles and giant stone walls tonight.
Sleep well, little samurai. Big dreams await us tomorrow.
Look at how peaceful he looks. This trip truly changed him for the better.
Travel has a wonderful way of opening up the world for kids. I'm so glad we took this leap together.
Last train ride to Tokyo Haneda Airport. Let's make sure our souvenirs pop our zippers.
Between ceramic tea sets, castle stamps, and samurai headbands, our luggage is officially 100% full of wonderful memories.
All aboard for the final leg of our grand Japanese adventure. Home sweet home awaits.
Wow!
Thank you, partner, for being the best castle explorer a parent could ever ask for.
Dad, Mom, thank you for taking me to explore all those real castles. It was the greatest adventure ever.
As the plane lifts off into the clouds, I feel so deeply grateful for the incredible world we get to share together.
No matter where the map takes us next, we'll always be together.